To draw chopsticks, we're going to start down here with this kind of L shape, and then we're going to go off at an angle like that, and then we're going to just come around the corner a little bit like that, so it's quite thin, and then we want to get fatter and fatter and fatter and fatter and fatter until we join up there. I call this draw stuff really easy. That's actually quite difficult. And then we're going to go across there like that. And we're going to do that, and it'll just fade out into dots. And can you see how it's a square end chopsticks that are going into a rounded end there? And then we're going to want something similar here, and then that's going to come around the corner all the way down like that, and then that will be there, so that we can do something similar there, fade into dots. Now, to put it on a rest, so that you don't get your chopsticks sort of filthy on the table and messing up the tablecloth, we're going to go about here. We're going to come out and along and then sort of back. Now if you follow that line through, then we can do the same on there. So they should sort of join up. Imagine there's a line going through there, and then we can have a kind of a thickness to that. And then imagine this is one corner of a little leg that's coming down, holding up this little, it's probably made out of pottery, and that's going to come down and underneath and down and up. And then we can have a bit of shading there and a bit of shading there. And then to put it on the table, we put some shading in there and some shading there, and you might just see a bit of shading there as well. And that is how you draw chopsticks sitting on a chopstick rest. Then all you need to do is colour it in and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Thanks for watching. Bye.